Greetings, followers. The first thing you need to do is to like, share, and comment before we get into it. Today we'll be talking on the ribbon. The ribbon is one of the elements that has Microsoft Word. If you don't know how to manage the ribbon, it will be difficult for you to type and give a positive result. And on the ribbon, we have the tabs. But we are going to start with the home tabs. You know, the home tabs has groups and has commands. If you don't know how to manage them, it will be difficult for you to apply on your typing or the project you want to present. So please, without waste of time, let's start with the home tab.
So we are going to launch an existing Microsoft Word on which somebody just did the typing, but he does not know how to present it. This is an attestation he wants to offer to some students. So just be focused as we're going to use only the home tab in order to adjust this attestation. Firstly, let's launch the attestation. This is how he has typed, and it was just, you see, just see how it looks. Like this, you cannot print it and offer maybe to a student as an attestation, but you need to format it. And to do the formatting, as we earlier mentioned about the home tab, we lastly talk about the ribbon. This is the ribbon, or what we have here is the ribbon, or what we have here is the ribbon. And every remote ribbon has the ribbon has what we call tabs. Here are tabs. These are tabs. And the only thing we are going to do is to look on the home tabs, which is this one. Even though my Microsoft Word is in French, please. This is Accueil, which means for the home tab. So on the home tab, it always comes automatically. When you launch Microsoft Word, it's the home tab that presents itself. So the first thing we're going to do to look on the home tab. On the home tab, we have groups. Here is the press paper group. Here we have the phone group. It is written police, it is in French. Here is the phone group. Here we have the paragraph group. Here is the style group. Here is the edition group, complements group. And in every group, please, in every group, we have what we call commands. All what we are seeing below here, they are commands. These are commands. All these, they are commands. And all the commands are what gives the function of that group. Without the commands, the function of the group cannot operate. And at some time when it comes automatic, we can just work on the group without including a command. So we are going to start with, we will not use the press paper. We just want to adjust this work. We're going to start with a phone group, which is this one, police. So on the phone group, we have the font, we have the font size, we have the high and the size of presentation of words. We have bold, the italic, underlining, rejecting, the upper and lower case. We have the color of the characters, how it presents itself. All our focus is based on this group, which is the font group. So here, this is our work. The first thing you need to do, you need to highlight your work. You highlight your work, or you press Ctrl A You highlight your work. Give the work maybe a font type. You know, administratively, we always use Times New Roman everywhere. When you click Times New Roman, the work gives itself. So here we have used Times New Roman. We give the size. We give it the size 14. When you see the work is coming in orderly presentation. So at some time we can separate the headings. This is the name of the company, and at this level we need other groups in order to adjust everything. We have the paragraph groups. On the paragraph groups, we centralize it. We have the left side, we have the center, we have the right side, we have the alignment of the right, center, and left. Then we have the justification one, which is this one. When you justify this one, it puts the lines of the work straight, the corners, the left and the right sides. So we are going to center the heading. Then, and more to that, we need to give the heading, maybe put it in bold by using the font group. Then in the other side, we can capitalize it. We come here, still on the font group, we put it in capital. You see that our attestation is already showing. Okay, this information concerning the company, we can still put this at the center. Then we can also step down, give space down. I hope we're seeing how the thing is coming. Or we give step up. Or we can still also centralize this Yaoundé, the date of today. I would prefer we should put it by the left to make it look good. Same as we take attestation, which is a big topic, we also put it in capital letters. You see, the work is coming. So at this level, we see that our work is coming. We need to give a big space. We all see that the work is coming. So now we need to justify all this character. We put them on the paragraph justification. Let the borders, the left and the side be the same. When we put this, we see that there is somehow something different. Okay. When you take a good look, you'll discover that we don't have a paragraph spacing. And I would like to put the paragraph spacing. For example, here we can put the paragraph spacing. So here, we put the paragraph spacing. As the sentence begins, paragraph spacing. Then with this, if you see these signs, they are not automatic. Every document that is automatic used with the points found on the paragraph group is always good. So I can remove all this. I remove them and I put them automatic. And to do that, I need to highlight my work. I come here on the paragraph group. I can choose any design. I validate this. Same as I come here, I can give a paragraph so that the paragraph can be respected orderly. The last line. So when we have something like this, the only thing left which is not on this document is the logo of that company, right? It's the logo of that company. When you reduce the size, this is how it presents itself. And in the moment of printing, you will discover that the presentation of the work is okay. So this is all about the home tab. When you enter the home tab, You need to master the font first. You need to master the paragraph presentation second before going to the styles. I hope the training was absolutely good. Please share my channel with those who really want to learn. Not with those who don't want to learn, but with those who want to learn. And for those who really want classes, online classes, please, you can still get into us through the number below. That will give you a detailed teaching and knowledge on how to use these tools, on how to manipulate these tabs, on how to use the groups and commands. Keep in touch with us. See you later.